Harry,
You knew this was coming, Pete.
listen to me. I didn't kill your father.
He was trying to kill me. He killed himself. Shut up!
And he killed me like he killed my father.
I'm trying to convince you.
You took him from me.
I need your help.
You deserve my help. Get out.
My dear father died. I cleaned his wound. The blade that pierced his body came from
You came.
Looks like just in the nick of time.
A couple minutes ago wouldn't have been so bad either. Should never have said those things.
None of that matters.
Уходи, за собой закрой. Сколько бы я не просил, но ты же знала, что меня теряла.